Comfortable grip material provides a more secure hold during handheld use, and the compact size makes it easy to handle. In grip mode, you'll have control of not only where to staple, but also the correct depth. In automatic mode, the stapler is activated by merely inserting the paper. There's even a built-in document thickness guide. Just insert the document to be stapled under the guide to see if it's 20 sheets or less. With the quick load feature, reloading staples is easy. Simply press the button on the back of the stapler and the magazine in the front of the stapler ejects for loading. The stapler is powered via electrical outlet when using the provided AC adapter. It also runs on 4 AA batteries, making it ideal for use in any location. Jam-free operation is guaranteed when using Swingline SF4 or Optima Premium staples. It comes with a limited 2-year warranty. Swingline Speed Pro 45 electric stapler. Now you can handle stapling tasks 3 times faster than with an average electric stapler. Staple 25 to 45 sheets using Swingline 3/8 inch Speed Pro staples. It also accepts standard 1/4 inch staples for documents no larger than 25 sheets. No matter which Swingline staple you use, you'll enjoy jam-free operation so your stapling productivity remains constant and more efficient. How do you know if you're low on staples? This lighted indicator tells you when it's time to reload. Using Quick Load, you're ready to get back to work with the staple magazine ejecting from the front of the unit at just the touch of a button. The suction cup base helps to keep the stapler firmly in place, and its compact design makes it perfect for your desktop. This stapler comes with a 7-year limited warranty. Be sure to order your Swingline Speed Pro 45 electric stapler today.